Hola amigos, soy Jane y esto es Fincarte. Today we're talking about birds. I have not used my bread oven this spring. Normally springtime I use the bread oven a lot. I have not used it even once. Well, we have an issue with the bread oven. It looks very much like, because it hasn't been used all spring, it looks very much like a bird has nested in the chimney. So we just need to investigate. Yeah, there's something wrong. Can you see anything? Again. Yeah. I'm so glad I didn't put the oven on. Oh my god. Yeah. Well, up at the top of that chimney, it's got a special little hat on it, which is supposed to stop birds going in, but obviously it didn't. My dilemma now is whether we go up and disturb the nest or not. Now that'd be fine if all the baby birds have gone, but if there's a chance that the baby birds haven't gone, I do not want to upset the mummy so much that she abandons the nest, which is always a possibility. I might not be using my oven this spring at all. Don't need the ladder. Well, we did. He had to go and have a look. Basically, the nest is halfway down the chimney, and he couldn't see it very clearly. He took a torch and the camera and tried to see, but you can't actually see what's going on. However, yeah, I was watching, and there was a lot of squeaking and squawking, and then mummy bird flew out. So the nest is occupied and there are baby birds in there, and I don't want to move them or disturb them or upset mummy. So I will not be using the bread oven this spring. We will have to come up with a better solution for next year. And I need to get these gourds made into birdhouses and spread them round. Fed up of birds nesting where they shouldn't. Thank you for watching, guys. Just another day on the finca. I don't know. There's always something.